Good morning, everyone. So, do you remember what we had done in the lesson adjectives? Understood well? Adjectives are describing words. They describe nouns. They tell us something extra about the nouns. Some additional information. Now, that is when we have only one noun. Now, sometimes it happens that we need to compare. We need to compare two people or two places or two things, two qualities of the nouns. So, what do we do that time? For that, we should know the degrees of comparison. How can we compare is understood by degrees of comparison. Now, there are 3 degrees of comparison. There are 3 ways to compare. First is when we just have one noun with us. We don't have any comparison, we are just talking about one person. Like you have one mom, you will say, Mommy, you are very nice. You cannot compare your mom with anyone. You cannot compare your dad with anybody. So that is only the positive degree. How we know the adjective is called positive degree. The root word is this. Like he is a tall boy. Tall is an adjective. She is quite intelligent. Intelligent is an adjective. The house is big. Big is adjective. But we have only one house. We have only one girl. We have only one boy. We are not comparing them with anybody. So this is called first degree. This is called positive degree or the first degree. And the simplest form of adjective is used here. Now, when we compare it with someone else, with one person or one thing or one animal, the comparison is between only two. Then we call it second degree of comparison or comparative degree. What do we call it? Comparative degree or second degree of comparison. Like there are two boys. We can say this boy is taller than this one, or this boy is taller of the two. Suppose I have a cat, you also have a cat. My cat is fatter than his cat. Like there are two cats, we are comparing between two cats, or we are comparing between two boys. Now here what have we done? We have added ER to the adjective. Tall has become taller, fat has become fatter. We have added ER to the adjective, and we have used then in the sentence to show that it is comparative degree, to show that we are comparing two things or two people. This boy is taller than his brother. Either we use then or we use of the two. Either of the two or out of the two or then. Fine? Now, third is when we call it superlative degree. When we use comparison between like one and many, more than two. We are comparing between from many things, many people, many places. Like India has got a lot of cities. So which is the biggest city in India? Mumbai. Mumbai is the biggest city in India. So we say Mumbai is the biggest city in all Indian cities. Out of all the Indian cities. So we are using EST. We had used ER in comparative and we used EST in the superlative degree. And remember to use the word the before the superlative degree. The biggest, the tallest, the highest, the shortest, the fattest. So that is using the before the superlative. And here I am saying this boy is the tallest of all. My cat is the fattest. Now that means my cat is being compared with lot of other cats. Though I am not writing of all, but it is understood because I've used the superlative degree. He is the naughtiest boy in the class. In the class means lot of people are there. Class will have many other boys. The comparison is between this boy and all others. So he is the naughtiest. So here we add est or most. Sometimes, suppose I say intelligent. More intelligent and most intelligent. Comparative is more intelligent and superlative is most intelligent. Understood? Now, so positive, comparative and superlative. Now sometimes we cannot make comparative or superlative by simply adding er or est. The word changes totally. Like with the word good. Suppose I want to use 2 degrees of good, it will be better, best. If I say bad, somebody is very bad, I'll say worse, and superlative mein I'll use worst. Little, I've got little money. Compare career with somebody, it will be less. And if it's amongst many, then I'll say the least money. If you're using much, there is so much of rice, then comparative may you use more and superlative may you use most. So just read your lesson nicely. Answers are there in the worksheet. Fill them up in 2 days. I'm giving you 2 days time. Fill them up in 2 days time and we'll revise the same thing again tomorrow. Fine? Okay, bye.